Hello friends, myself Aradi Mahajan presenting my video on inverse Laplace transform convolution method or convolution theorem. Its statement is like this: if inverse of f bar of s is f of t and inverse of second function g bar of s as g of t, then inverse Laplace of the product of the two terms f bar of s into g bar of s is obtained by integration of f of u into g of t minus u, its integration with respect to u between the limit 0 to t. In this function f of t, replace t by u to get f of u, and in this function g of t, replace it by t minus u to get the value of g of t minus u, and then evaluate this integral between the limits 0 to t, and whatever the value is the required value of that inverse. Then try to see one simple example. Example number: find inverse Laplace of 1 by s into 1 upon s plus b by convolution method. Here there is a product of two terms of s. First one is 1 by s and second one is 1 upon s plus b, and here it is required to find its inverse by convolution method. Therefore, we try to apply the technique. We know the inverse of 1 by s, standard result it is 1, and the inverse Laplace of second term 1 upon s plus b, as it is e raised to minus at, means here e raised to minus bt, and any one of them as f of t and second one as g of t. But as a rule or the note, consider that value of term having minimum terms of t as g of t. Therefore, here no term of t, therefore I will consider it as g of t, and the remaining one as f of t c. Or we can interchange the values. Final answer will remain the same. Then, by convolution theorem, inverse Laplace of the product of 1 by s into 1 upon s plus b is integral from 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u, and its integration with respect to u, and therefore it is equals to integral from 0 to t, replacing t by u, we get here as e raised to minus b u, and in g of t replace it by t minus u, therefore replacing t by t minus u, and as there is no term of t in this, it remains 1, and then its integration with respect to u. Integrating it with respect to u, as per standard result, its integration is e raised to minus bu divided by minus b, and limits from 0 to t. One by b constant term we take outside, and then cancelling minus sign by interchanging the limits. Therefore 0 becomes upper limit, t becomes lower limit, and e raised to 0 is 1 minus lower limit as t, it becomes e raised to minus bt. As this is the required answer, the value of for inverse Laplace transform by convolution. A very simple technique, and we require this technique when we try to solve the differential equation by Laplace transform technique. Either way to apply partial fraction method or this convolution method. But prefer this convolution method if there is a product of two terms while solving the differential equation. One more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for my new videos, press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.